not forget just, oh, I will remember, but finally I not remember how to not build the camper van. I have to take out some wires and make it looks nicer. Right now it's not good order. Unfortunately COVID catch me, so I was disconnect from this work for some time. All this mess because I change idea what I wanna do and how I wanna do it. So, and because of that, right now I have a lot of unnecessary work. If I keep the first ideas, will be much easier. And right now, what? I can do. Again. To tell you the truth, I have a few things to do, but again, it's wet, some showers outside, and it's hard to open the door. Here. Oh yeah. What the tiger like the most. But in this moment I'm a bit confused. Too short, but always you can extend. I don't like extending, but what I can do? It's too short. Definitely too short, so I have to extend it.
Never ending story.
Ah! Ah, it was wrong assumption. Okay. Let's do it the other way. Bit too thick. Wrong. It shows, so I don't know why I left these 3 wires inside this loom. It means it's not necessary here, it should be somewhere else. So I have to right now untie this and pull out these 3 wires from this loom. Happen. Which this one. I love it. Definitely this 3? Yes, definitely this 3. I don't know. Maybe I try to take out this wrap not to the end and pull out. Okay, let's try it. This is annoying. It's my fault. Yes. Oh, at least half a meter. From few days, this is just work after work, so I have no enough time to do this, but from 2 days I try to build the central fuse box. It looks complicated because I created complicated, can be simpler probably. And of course, like I mentioned many times, or will mention in this movie, in this video many times, everything will be okay if I not change my mind about idea how to build it, because from many stupid reasons I move, let's say, inverter from one place to the other place, and the wiring have to be modified, and I move this, I move that, change the idea how to connect the light, etc. And because of that I have many wiring which was modified during the work, and to tell the truth, sometimes I forget put it on the list, sometimes I not forget, just I will remember, but finally I not remember. And maybe the most important, this is I wanna do this, it will looks neatly. It means it's hard to cut the wire right now, because maybe it have to be a bit longer. It's always easier to cut than extend the wire. So for this reason I struggle to build it. But anyway, this is central bus. Bosses. Is a bus bar for live and bus bar for ground. Yeah, and this is 2 bus bars, because one bus bar is for laser battery, and second bus bar is for connecting everything should be powered from the car battery. This is the small one. And of course fuse box, like usually, one fuse more, because some sections finally will be powered by just by 2 wires, and I make a smaller fuse box in other place, and etc. And some wires for future also. It's also like disturb me to do it faster, yeah, because to tell the truth, all the time is how to build everything to be like looks neatly, works perfect, or at least good, and not use space in very strange way, yeah. So probably I will spend over it like a few hours more. Right now I'm in a point where I recognize nearly all wires. Still I don't remember few of them, and so I have to trace them. Means tracing is probably I connect to the battery and some meter, and we'll try to figure out. Few of them left only, the rest I know where I start and finish. The biggest problem is with light wires, because have to be traced anyway, and some of them are somewhere hidden behind the panels, and okay. And of course should be something like that. Right now I have to extending, I am in the process of extending wires to steering the inverter, because first inverter should be in this area, but after some time I changed idea and bought the bigger inverter, and is not enough space here for it, so I have to move it closer to the battery, because battery first should be somewhere here, but also was not enough space. I changed, maybe not enough space, I changed my mind and moving the battery, so it's reasonable to place the inverter close to the batteries, the battery bank, because just of thickness of these wires. So it's a maybe I will move the video about not how to build the campervan, but how to not build the campervan. And one of these is, if you have idea, keep it till the last moment. It's very stupid when you change your ideas during the build, because always it creates some problems with wiring, with space organizing, etc., etc., etc.